Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, select the correct statement. Statement A is, elastomers have the weakest intermolecular forces. Statement B is, Buna-N is an example of synthetic copolymer. Statement C is, some fibers have crystalline nature. Statement D is, thermoplastic polymers have stronger intermolecular forces than fibers. The options are ABD, BCD, ABC, ACD. The key concept that we will be doing in this question is types of polymers. Let's look at the statements one by one. First statement says that elastomers have weakest intermolecular forces. It is a true statement. जो हमारे पास elastomers होते हैं, they have weak forces. उनमें weak forces क्यों होती हैं? Because name से हमें पता लग रहा है elastomers means they are elastic. Okay, so elastic तभी होंगे जब forces weak होंगी. So weak forces result in elasticity. So first statement is correct, that is elastomers have weakest intermolecular forces. Second statement says Buna-N is an example of synthetic copolymer. Let's look at Buna-N. Buna-N is a polymer formed by reaction of buta 1,3-diene and acrylonitrile. Because it is formed by two monomers, that is why this polymer is known as a copolymer. Copolymers are polymers which are formed by two or more than two monomers. Also, it is a synthetic copolymer because it is not present naturally in the nature, it is synthesized in the lab. So, statement B is also correct. Statement C says some fibers have crystalline nature. Some fibers like nylon have crystalline nature. So statement C is also correct. Statement D says thermoplastic polymers have stronger intermolecular forces than the fibers. Statement D is incorrect because fibers have the strongest intermolecular forces as they have forces like hydrogen bonding, which are very strong and difficult to break. Whereas if I talk about thermoplastic polymers, these have forces less strong than the fibers, because when I heat a thermoplastic polymer, the forces become weak, means my polymer becomes soft. Whereas if I cool a thermoplastic polymer, the forces become strong and my polymer becomes hard. So statement D is incorrect. Because statement A, B, C are correct, looking at the options given to me, option 3 is the correct answer for the question, that is A, B, C. I hope you all understood the question.